In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2015 Lexus RX350. First, we lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a 4-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Once we have lifted the car properly, the very first step is we take out the clips and screws from the bottom, from right side, then left side, finally from the top. Before we jump into the process, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, like, press the bell icon. We really work hard to make these DIY videos and your subscription will be really appreciated. Now let's jump into the process. We'll start off taking out a 10mm screw from the edge of the bumper. I'm using an impact gun with 10mm nutsetter, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nutsetter. Then move ahead and take out a clip. Here there are two clips right besides each other and we will be taking out both of them. Just a reminder, the tool I'm using to take out the clips is door upholstery remover. Here in the middle there is one clip that also needs to be taken out. Once the middle clip is taken out, here take out 3 extra clips that are already being taken out due to some sort of an accident. Then take out the final 10mm screw from the other side, and with that we are done with the bottom side. Jumping onto the corners, we will take out 2 extra special clips. Make sure you're taking them out exactly the way we are showing it to you right now. Once both clips are out, slightly pull the fender liner from the bumper side, and there you notice one 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. There's that bad boy. Now we slightly pull the bumper from the edge, making sure to pull it until where the headlight is. Notice this clip came out while pulling the bumper. This is where that 10mm screw was attached. Now the exact same process we will apply on the other side. Take out 2 special clips. Pull the fender liner from the bumper side. Take out that one 10mm screw. You can also turn the tire to make the process easy if you want. Here we are trying to take out that white clip properly, but we notice it doesn't work. You have to pull the bumper to take it out. Now we jump onto the top side. Notice here there is a cover. In our case it's missing. In your case, make sure you take out that cover. Once the cover is out, only then you take out this clip that we are taking out right now. Moving ahead, we will take out a series of clips one by one. Few clips from the upper side also needs to be taken out. With that, we were able to take out the top engine cover. Some other clips that are part of the bumper needs to be taken out. Along with the special bigger size clips from both sides we will take out. Here in the middle is the final clip that will wrap up the process. Once all the clips and screws are taken out, now we can slightly pull down the bumper completely. Take out the fog light plug from one side as well as from the other side. There's also a hosing for headlight washer that also needs to be taken out. Once taken out, make sure to put the hosing upwards so that the liquid is not spilled over the ground. With that, bam shazam, we are done taking out the front bumper completely. Now, if this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, we will catch you in the next video.